How to fix the Twitch stream lag. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Whenever you're trying to access the different kinds of live and clips on Twitch and the stream is lagging, in that case, here are some fixes that you can try on. First of all, go to the settings on your Android. After that, tap on the battery. Once you tap on battery, you will see different options there. Tap on battery saver and if it is turned on, make sure to turn off and access the Twitch application again. This should probably help you with the stream lag option. However, if it does not work, let's move on to the next step. In order to do so, long press your Twitch application and go to App Info. After that, click on Force Stop and once that is done, tap on Storage and Cache. Then after, clear the cache. Once that is done, you can also clear the storage. However, this will delete all the app's data, so make sure you have a backup before doing so. Once deleted, now you can relaunch the application and the stream lagging option or the problem should be fixed. This is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button.